Hi, Katrina Lilis, me Chris Lawrence. Sana magkita ulit tayo soon and thank you
Ma'am. Pwede po magpa-shoutout kay Chris Lawrence po.
Hello, Chris Lawrence. Sana makatulog ka. God bless you. Ingat palagi. Good night.
Thank you po.
Wala pong I love you.
Flying kiss po, ma'am. Thank you.
Miss.
Yung Insta 360 naman yung
Yung order mo sa Starbucks.
Ang dami nawawala.
Starbucks. Should I just get a whole bunch of mocha fraps for everybody?
Lahat. Vanilla soy latte lahat.
Oh no.
Okay na kami.
Should we have mocha sauce? Yeah. How many should I? How much here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10? 10 na lang, no? Jelay! Kat! Anong Starbucks? I'm gonna get a spam. Want one?
Yes, please.
Let's go. Team KKK. Guys! Your Starbucks is here, guys!
Thank you so much.
I'll put it... Do itashimashite. I'll leave it here on the table. Wakarimashita. But first, Starbucks. Our spam mother... This is white mocha sweet cream. That's yours? Zipable.
Ice triple grande vanilla soy latte.
Oh my god. My diet got up. Huh. I'm eating spam. Oh, it's so good. Dati, yung bahay ko, code name sa bahay ko is B1, Piney Chick, B2. So yung driver, whoever my driver was at the time. Sir, saan tayo ngayon? B1, B2, B1.
Di balik natin yung code name na yan. Starbucks.
Yung pala yun. I don't know what everyone wanted, but so I just got a bunch of mocha fraps.
Okay na!
Gagi, ang ganda! Ito na record na talaga. Sorry.
Done, sir.
Ang ganda!